Welcome to Upgrade by Downgrade, the show where I take you through the complete renovation of my 1970s 4-level split. Now in this episode I'll be taking you through the renovation of the first below ground level. This is approximately 4 feet into the ground. It's got the larger windows and it's not that much different from an above ground level as far as light and use is concerned. I've got a living room area, a bedroom, and a bathroom. Now let's have a look and see what we got to work with. This is the second lowest level of my 4-level split. There's a few nice features in here. We've got this brick feature wall with a built-in fireplace. We got a vintage piano. But I don't dig this rug. There you can see the toilet bordered by this beautiful rug. I have a confession to make. I hate carpet in the bathroom. Now this house has 3 bathrooms, all of which had carpet. The original carpet. Gross, nasty, stained, moldy, dank, stinky carpet. Now, look at where the light is in this room. Kind of off in front of the window. And there's the shower. Basically getting no light at all. It's just a tiny dark hole. It's actually kind of like a coffin. And you can see here, this was someone's great idea. They cut holes into the cold air return for the furnace in order to ventilate this washroom. Now this wasn't the worst bathroom I've ever seen, but certainly up there. This carpet, I mean, I cannot believe it. Who puts carpet in the bathroom? Yeah, I was wondering, what type of flooring are you putting in the bathroom? I was kind of looking at the ceramic tiles and they seem pretty nice. Ugh, tiles are so expensive and so much work. Yeah, we could do that, but how about carpet? Carpet? How am I gonna clean that? Isn't it gonna get all wet and soggy? Just imagine getting out of the bathtub, stepping out onto a nice, lush, warm carpet floor. Think about that compared to hard, cold, harsh tiles. You don't want that. Carpet's the way to go. Trust me. You don't say. I can save so much money using carpet rather than hardwood or tile. Wall-to-wall carpet everywhere is all the rage. It is the most luxurious material on the market right now. Well, I mean, if everybody else is getting it, I suppose that's what I should do. Good choice. You are the man. I'm going to start the work in here by getting rid of these awful carpets. I know I'm going to have to level the cement floor underneath here just a little bit. It's kind of heaved and cracked over the years. That's pretty common in this town. I want to reuse these baseboards, so I'm being pretty gentle when I do this task. Leveling's not really a difficult job, it just takes a bit of time. The first thing I do is I find the lowest and the highest point on the floor. That way I can kind of determine how thick of framing shims I'm going to have to put underneath a new subfloor. You can see here just how much the floor is out of level. Thanks a lot for watching this episode of Upgrade My Downgrade, and if you have any questions about your own projects, feel free to put your question in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer it and help you along in your project. Now, let's take a tour of this project. Check you later.